In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're tidying up your financial records or need to correct an erroneous entry, understanding how to properly manage payments in QuickBooks is crucial for keeping your bookkeeping clean and accurate. So let's get started on this straightforward process, which will only take a few minutes. First, let's start by signing in. Navigate to QuickBooks Online and look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on it will direct you to the login page. Here you'll select QuickBooks Online from the available options, which will ensure you're accessing the correct platform. Next, it's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your username and password and then click continue. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one that you need to access for this particular task. It's always a good practice to double check that you're entering the correct details to avoid any frustration from unsuccessful login attempts. Once you're logged in, look towards the left side of your dashboard where you'll see the menu options. Click on Sales, which will open up a new set of options focused on managing your sales transactions. In the Sales section, you'll want to click on Customers. This will bring up a list of all your customer profiles, neatly organized for easy access. This section is your go-to place for anything related to customer invoicing and payments. Now locate the customer profile related to the payment you need to delete. Scrolling through the list or using the search bar at the top can speed up this process. Clicking on the profile will take you to their specific customer page where all transactions are logged. On your customers page, you'll see a list of transactions on the right side. Look carefully and find the small drop-down arrow usually located next to each transaction to expand the available actions you can perform. Clicking the drop-down will give you the option to delete the payment. You will select delete from this drop-down menu. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the deletion with a pop-up to prevent accidental removal, so simply click delete again to finalize this action. And there you go, you've just successfully deleted a payment in QuickBooks Online. Remember, once a payment is deleted, it cannot be recovered easily. Always verify that you're choosing the correct transaction to delete. If you're unsure, it might be helpful to create a backup of your data beforehand. Keeping your records updated and accurate is key to maintaining robust financial health for your business. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a quick refresher.